Who's that?
Yeah, I know. You get one right here in the corner. Yeah, right.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yep.
$28.
Good one. Damn, Uncle. Right when I leave too.
When I come back, huh?
Yep. I got you.